this is what happens when you don't change your cam belt on time. Cam belt goes and you'll have a camshaft that the lobes do not align because the valves actually push these round. These are just push fitted, so you can see that this is the new one. I've got them lined up. It's also the same on the other side. Got a little tab on the back as well that lines up on both of them, same position. But as you can see, the new one, you can see the new one is here and the old one is right there, so you can see that these lobes have been pushed around, so this would have never run the engine. And then if you have a look inside here as well, you can see rocker arms. So yeah, we should probably get all the bits out, but we got some new parts for this. So engine is now timed up, and I just left the camshaft locking tool, which is a 8mm drill bit and a 4mm Allen key at the bottom locking bit, just whilst I'm refitting everything so nothing skips teeth, etc., or doesn't get thrown off timing. And I'm also going to be refitting obviously the crankshaft pulley, but first I'm going to put everything back together up here, starting with the rocker cover. Let's put a new rubber gasket on it at the bottom. There's an old one. No, it's just preventative maintenance. Might as well, it only cost like 10 quid. And it's going to save like 2 hours of labor, maybe one. And then all the boards back in, vacuum pump back in, and then just sort of connecting everything back together up here. So new rocker arms fitted, old seal cleaned off, slide it. Camshaft is now completely fitted and aligned with the hole around here. Camshaft in, all surfaces cleaned, and new gasket applied. And now we're going to put the top cover on. So all of the top is back together. Only thing is the auxiliary belt that I haven't put back on yet, and the wheel arch liner, because I want to test that the engine actually works. So yeah, let's see.
Absolutely beautiful. Runs like clockwork.